Are you torn between the Raspberry Pi 5 and the Orange Pi 5 Pro? Let's break down which SBC truly deserves your attention. In the vibrant world of single-board computers, Raspberry Pi has long reigned supreme. But with contenders like the Orange Pi 5 Pro entering the arena, it's time to evaluate the options for tech enthusiasts and creators alike. Choosing the right SBC can feel overwhelming. Both the Raspberry Pi 5 and Orange Pi 5 Pro boast impressive specs, but do they deliver on their promises? The Raspberry Pi is renowned for its ease of use and robust community support, while the Orange Pi offers cutting-edge hardware with higher RAM and cores. However, the key question remains: can the Orange Pi's specs translate into real-world performance? The Raspberry Pi 5 offers a budget-friendly experience, starting at around $80, making it an appealing choice for hobbyists. In contrast, the Orange Pi 5 Pro, priced around $100, packs in 16 GB of faster LPDDR5 RAM and an octa-core CPU. Yet, while the numbers look great, real-world testing reveals that the Raspberry Pi often outperforms the Orange Pi in tasks like gaming and emulation. For instance, SuperTuxKart runs smoothly on the Raspberry Pi, while the Orange Pi struggles at higher settings. This inconsistency raises concerns about whether the Orange Pi's theoretical power can match the practical advantages of the Raspberry Pi. The tipping point comes down to community support and software optimization. Raspberry Pi's dedicated ecosystem means that when challenges arise, users have a wealth of resources and troubleshooting tips at their fingertips. In contrast, the Orange Pi, despite its advanced specs, lacks the same level of community engagement and user-friendly tools. This reality makes it difficult for less experienced users to fully harness its potential. In the end, while the Orange Pi 5 Pro boasts superior specs, the Raspberry Pi 5 remains the more reliable and practical choice for most users. It's not just about numbers, it's about performance, ease of use, and community support. If you found this comparison insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Join our community as we explore the latest in technology together. Thank you for watching.